izokwenzeka. This is Babu Dr. Voices Bojabe. Yazi bakithi ake siyilungise lento lena. I-success ayimdingi umuntu ofana nawe. Wena ucomfortable kakhulu ukuthi ungaba successful. Angirepeat. I-success ayimdingi umuntu ofana nawe. Wena ucomfortable kakhulu ukuthi ungaba successful. Abantu aba successful namhlanje they were unsuccessful before and now they are successful. Ayikho into estressa njengokufundela ukudrive amabhanoyi. Because lapha uncengiwe. Kunabantu abaningi abanequeue abafuna ukwenza abangenza kancane wona. Because wena ufuna ukuba successful but usafuna ukuba comfortable. Ukuba uma ufuna ukuba uncomfortable it will lead to a success. Lento wena obona ucomfortable ngayo you are getting deceived. There is something that is surging up. There is something that is surging up that is going to cover you and destroy you. Because when you are comfortable kakhulu. Ucomfortable kakhulu. Refuse to be comfortable kakhulu. Question things and do things on your own. I repeat, refuse to be comfortable kakhulu. Start to question